world cloaked in perpetual darkness, a place where the sun's rays never reach, and the concept of daylight is a distant, almost memory. This is the realm of the deep sea, an environment so alien and extreme that it challenges our very understanding of life. The sun's rays are just a distant memory. Here, in the abyssal depths, the darkness is absolute, broken only by the occasional flicker of bioluminescent creatures. These tiny beacons of light are the only illumination in a world otherwise shrouded in eternal night. This is the deep sea, a place of immense pressure and frigid temperatures. The weight of the water above is so great that it would crush most terrestrial creatures instantly. Temperatures hover just above freezing, creating a cold, inhospitable environment. It's hard to believe anything could survive here. The landscape is barren, with scarce signs of life. Yet, against all odds, life not only survives but thrives in this extreme environment. Yet life finds a way. Deep-sea creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations to cope with the harsh conditions. Bioluminescence, for instance, common trait, allowing these creatures to communicate, attract mates, and lure prey in the pitch-black darkness. Deep-sea fish, masters of extreme survival, thrive in this unforgiving environment. They have developed unique physiological traits such as pressure-resistant bodies and slow metabolisms to endure the pressure and scarce food supply. The deep sea starts where sunlight fades about 200 meters below the surface. This marks the beginning of the twilight zone, where light gradually diminishes until it disappears completely. From there, it plunges down thousands of meters to the ocean floor. The descent takes us through various layers, each with its own unique characteristics and inhabitants. The deeper we go, the more extreme the conditions become. The pressure here is crushing, hundreds of times greater than at the surface. At these depths, the pressure can exceed 1,000 atmospheres, a force so immense that it would crush a human being instantly. Yet, deep-sea creatures have evolved to withstand this incredible pressure. It's cold, too, hovering just above freezing. The temperature in the deep sea remains constant, unaffected by the sun's warmth. This cold environment slows down metabolic rates, allowing creatures to survive on minimal food resources. But this alien world is teeming with life. Despite the darkness, pressure, and cold, the deep sea is home to a diverse array of organisms. From tiny plankton to giant squids, life has adapted to every niche in this extreme environment. Strange and wonderful creatures, the deep-sea fish, have made this extreme environment their home. They exhibit a range of fascinating adaptations, from bioluminescent lures to enormous mouths and expandable stomachs, allowing them to make the most of the scarce food supply. They've evolved incredible adaptations to not only survive but to flourish in this challenging world. These adaptations are a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life, proving that even in the most extreme conditions, life finds a way to endure and thrive. Deep-sea fish are built differently. They inhabit one of the most extreme environments on Earth, where the pressure is so intense that it would crush most other forms of life. Their bodies are adapted to withstand the immense pressure of the deep. This adaptation is not just a simple change, but a complex series of evolutionary modifications that allow them to thrive where others cannot. Unlike fish near the surface, they often have soft, gelatinous bodies. These bodies are not just for show, they serve a critical function. The gelatinous texture helps them to be more buoyant and flexible, allowing them to move with ease in the high-pressure environment. Think of them as being more fluid, less rigid. This fluidity is essential for their survival, as it prevents their bodies from being crushed by the immense pressure of the deep ocean. Their bones are also different, often smaller and more flexible. These bones are not as dense as those of surface-dwelling fish, which allows them to withstand the crushing pressure without being crushed themselves. This allows them to withstand the crushing pressure without being crushed themselves. The flexibility of their bones and bodies is a key adaptation that enables them to survive in such an extreme environment. Some, like the blobfish, resemble a gelatinous blob, perfectly adapted for the deep. The blobfish's unique appearance is a direct result of its adaptation to the high-pressure environment of the deep sea. But it's not just their physical structure that's special. Deep-sea fish have also developed unique biochemical adaptations that allow them to survive in such an extreme environment. Deep-sea fish have unique proteins and enzymes in their bodies. These proteins and enzymes are specially adapted to function under the extreme pressure and low temperatures of the deep sea. These help them function under extreme pressure. Without these unique biochemical adaptations,
the fish's cells and tissues would not be able to function properly under the immense pressure of the deep sea. They prevent the fish's cells and tissues from collapsing under the immense weight of the water. This is a remarkable feat of evolution, as it allows the fish to survive and thrive in an environment that would be deadly to most other forms of life. It's a remarkable feat of evolution. The adaptations of deep-sea fish are a testament to the power of natural selection and the incredible ability of life to adapt to even the most extreme environments. From their soft, gelatinous bodies to their unique proteins and enzymes, every aspect of their biology is perfectly suited to life in the deep sea. These adaptations not only allow them to survive but to thrive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. In the deep sea, darkness is the norm. The ocean's depths are a world where sunlight is a distant memory, unable to penetrate the thick layers of water above. This perpetual night creates a unique and challenging environment for the creatures that call it home. Sunlight simply can't penetrate the depths. The deeper you go, the less light there is, until you reach a point where it's completely dark. This zone, known as the aphotic zone, is where sunlight is entirely absent. So how do deep-sea fish find their way? Navigating this dark alien world requires special adaptations. These fish have evolved remarkable ways to survive and thrive in an environment where light is a rare commodity. Some have evolved incredibly sensitive eyes, huge and specifically designed to capture any glimmer of light. These eyes can detect the faintest traces of bioluminescence or the occasional flicker of light from above, allowing them to see in near total darkness. Others have taken a different approach: bioluminescence. This fascinating adaptation allows them to produce their own light, turning their bodies into living lanterns. They create their own light. This ability is not just for show, it serves critical functions in their survival. By emitting light, these fish can communicate, hunt, and even defend themselves in the dark abyss. This is done through a chemical reaction within their bodies. The process involves the enzyme luciferase acting on the molecule luciferin, producing light without generating heat, a phenomenon known as cold light. The anglerfish, for example, has a lure dangling from its head that emits a mesmerizing glow. This bioluminescent lure is a perfect example of nature's ingenuity, attracting unsuspecting prey right into the anglerfish's waiting jaws. This light show serves multiple purposes. It can attract prey, entice mates, or even startle predators. In the deep sea, where resources are scarce, these adaptations are vital for survival. Imagine a sudden burst of light in the pitch black. It's a brilliant survival tactic. This flash can confuse predators, giving the bioluminescent fish a chance to escape. It can also signal other fish, creating a complex language of light in the dark ocean depths. Food is scarce in the deep sea. Animals have to be opportunistic, ready to capitalize on any chance for a meal. Some deep-sea fish, like the gulper eel, have evolved huge mouths and expandable stomachs. They can swallow prey much larger than themselves, storing it away for leaner times. It's a feast or famine existence down here, and these fish have adapted accordingly. Others rely on incredible senses. The tripod fish, for instance, uses elongated fins to stand on the seabed, feeling for vibrations. This helps them detect approaching prey in the pitch black. Section 5. Love in the dark: unique reproductive tactics. Finding a mate in the vastness of the deep sea is no easy feat. Deep sea fish have evolved some truly remarkable reproductive strategies. Take the anglerfish, for example. The tiny male anglerfish actually fuses himself to the much larger female. He becomes a permanent fixture, providing sperm whenever she needs it. It's a bizarre but effective strategy in a world where encounters are rare. Other species rely on bioluminescent signals or pheromone trails to attract mates. It's a delicate dance of survival, ensuring the continuation of their species in this most challenging of environments. Section 6. The unsung heroes of the deep ecological importance. Deep-sea fish may seem far removed from our world, but they play a vital role in the ocean's ecosystem. They are part of a complex food web, connecting the surface to the depths. Many species feed on marine snow, the constant rain of organic debris from above. This helps recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Without deep-sea fish, this delicate balance would be disrupted. They are also an important food source for larger animals, including some sharks and whales. Their health and survival are intricately linked to the well-being of the entire ocean. Section 7. The human shadow: threats to deep-sea life. Sadly, even in the remote depths of the ocean, human activities are having an impact. Pollution, deep-sea mining, and climate change all pose threats to these fragile ecosystems. Deep-sea fish are particularly vulnerable because they tend to grow slowly and reproduce less frequently. Any disruption to their environment can have long-lasting consequences. It's a sobering reminder that our actions have far-reaching consequences, even in the most remote corners of the planet. Section 8. Protecting the abyss. Conservation is key. Protecting deep-sea fish and their habitats is crucial. We need to expand our knowledge of these ecosystems and implement sustainable practices to minimize our impact. This includes establishing marine protected areas, regulating deep-sea fishing, and reducing pollution. International cooperation is also essential to ensure the long-term health of our oceans. The future of these incredible creatures, and the health of our planet, depends on our commitment to their conservation. Section 9. A testament to life's tenacity, the wonder of deep-sea fish. Deep-sea fish are a testament to life's incredible tenacity. They thrive in an environment that seems impossible to us, constantly adapting and evolving. Their unique adaptations, from bioluminescence to bizarre reproductive strategies, never cease to amaze. They remind us that the natural world is full of wonder, and that even in the darkest depths, life finds a way. It's our responsibility to protect these fascinating creatures and ensure that they continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. In the animal kingdom, competition is the norm. Animals compete for food, territory, and mates. Cooperation between different species is rare, yet nature always surprises us. The coyote and the badger, two very different creatures, are an example of such an unusual partnership. This alliance, observed across the American West, showcases nature's ingenuity. Coyotes, with their speed and cunning, and badgers, with their strength and digging prowess, form a formidable team. This partnership is a testament to the power of cooperation in the wild. Coyotes, belonging to the dog family, are found throughout North America. These fascinating creatures have adapted to a wide range of environments, showcasing their incredible versatility and resilience. They are adaptable creatures, thriving in a variety of habitats from grasslands to forests. Whether in the dense woods or open plains, coyotes have learned to make the most of their surroundings, finding food and shelter with remarkable ease. Coyotes are known for their intelligence, agility, and sharp senses, particularly their sense of smell. This keen sense allows them to detect prey and potential threats from a distance, making them effective hunters and survivors in the wild. They are opportunistic hunters, feeding on rodents, rabbits, birds, and even insects. Their diet is highly varied, which helps them survive in different environments. Coyotes are also known to scavenge, taking advantage of any available food sources. Badgers, on the other hand, are powerful diggers found in grasslands and deserts. These solitary animals are built for a life of burrowing, with strong limbs and claws that allow them to excavate extensive underground homes. They are shorter and stockier than coyotes, with short legs and powerful claws. This robust build makes them excellent diggers, capable of creating complex burrow systems that provide shelter and a place to store food. Badgers are solitary and mostly active at night. Their nocturnal habits help them avoid predators and activity, allowing them to hunt and forage in relative safety under the cover of darkness. They are carnivores, and their diet consists mainly of burrowing rodents such as ground squirrels and prairie dogs. Badgers are skilled hunters, using their digging abilities to unearth prey hiding underground. Their diet also includes insects, small mammals, and occasionally birds. Interestingly, coyotes and badgers have been known to form hunting partnerships. This unlikely duo works together to catch prey, with the coyote chasing animals above ground, while the badger digs them out from below. This collaboration increases their chances of a successful hunt, showcasing the unique ways animals can adapt and cooperate in the wild. Despite their differences, both coyotes and badgers play crucial roles in their ecosystems. They help control rodent populations and contribute to the balance of their habitats. Observing these remarkable creatures offers a glimpse into the complex and interconnected world of nature. The coyote and the badger, each with their unique adaptations and behaviors, remind us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Their stories of survival and cooperation inspire us to appreciate and protect the natural world around us. The driving force behind the coyote-badger partnership is food. Both animals benefit from increased hunting success when they work together. Coyotes are fast runners, but they are not as adept at digging. Badgers, while excellent diggers, are not as fast on their feet. This is where their strengths complement each other. Badgers can excavate burrows, flushing out prey that coyotes can then chase down. Conversely, coyotes can chase prey towards waiting badgers or into burrows where badgers can catch them. The benefits of this partnership are numerous. Studies have shown that coyotes hunting with badgers are more successful in catching ground squirrels, their primary prey. Badgers also benefit, expending less energy digging when coyotes are present to chase down fleeing prey. This partnership is a clear example of synergy, where the combined effort is greater than the sum of its parts. By working together, coyotes and badgers increase their chances of a meal, demonstrating the power of cooperation in the animal kingdom. Section 5. A symphony of scents and sounds. The success of this partnership relies on, well, effective communication and coordination. While the exact methods are not fully understood, observations suggest a combination of visual cues, scents, and vocalizations. Coyotes, with their keen sense of smell, can detect badger burrows and may even be able to sense when a badger is actively digging. Badgers, in turn, may recognize the alarm calls of coyotes, signaling the presence of prey. This understanding of each other's signals allows them to coordinate their hunting strategies effectively. Section 6. The Wisdom of the Ancients. In the vast tapestry of nature, there are countless stories and lessons to be learned from the creatures that inhabit our world. Among these tales, one of the most fascinating is the unique partnership between the coyote and the badger. The unusual alliance between coyotes and badgers has not gone unnoticed by humans. This remarkable relationship has been observed and documented by various cultures throughout history. The coyote, known for its cunning and agility, and the badger, recognized for its strength and digging prowess, form a dynamic duo that benefits both parties. Native American cultures, known for their deep connection to nature, have long recognized and revered this partnership. Elders often share stories that highlight the wisdom and harmony found in the natural world. These tales are passed down through generations, teaching the importance of respect, cooperation, and understanding. In some Native American folklore, the coyote and the badger are depicted as friends, their cooperation a symbol of the interconnectedness of all living things. These stories are not just about animals, they are metaphors for human relationships and the broader ecosystem. The coyote and the badger, through their teamwork, demonstrate that unity and collaboration can lead to greater success and harmony. These stories often highlight the complementary strengths of the two animals, emphasizing the importance of teamwork and mutual respect. The coyote's speed and the badger's digging skills create a perfect hunting partnership, allowing them to catch prey more efficiently than they could alone. This synergy is a powerful reminder of the benefits of working together. The coyote and the badger serve as a reminder that even seemingly different beings can find common ground and benefit from cooperation. In a world where differences often lead to conflict, the partnership between these two animals offers a valuable lesson. It shows us that by recognizing and valuing each other's strengths, we can achieve more together than we ever could apart. This ancient wisdom, observed in the natural world, continues to inspire and guide us in our own lives. Section 7. A changing world and enduring bond. Despite the encroachment of humans in the changing landscape, the coyote-badger partnership endures. Their adaptability, a testament to their resilience, allows them to thrive in a variety of habitats. However, this ancient alliance faces challenges. Habitat loss due to agriculture and urbanization is a growing concern. Climate change also poses a threat, potentially altering the delicate balance of their ecosystems. It is crucial that we understand and mitigate these threats to ensure the survival of this remarkable partnership. Section 8. Threats and conservation efforts. Protecting the Coyote-Badger Alliance requires a multi-pronged approach. Preserving natural habitats is paramount. Creating wildlife corridors can connect fragmented landscapes, allowing animals to move freely and find resources. Reducing human-wildlife conflicts is also crucial. Educating the public about the importance of coyotes and badgers in the ecosystem can foster understanding and tolerance. By addressing the threats they face, we can help ensure that this unique partnership continues to thrive for generations to come. Section 9. Looking ahead, the future of the partnership. The future of the coyote-badger partnership remains uncertain, but there is hope. This unique alliance between two very different species has fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Coyotes and badgers have been observed working together in various environments, showcasing a remarkable example of interspecies cooperation. Their adaptability and resilience, combined with conservation efforts, offer a glimmer of optimism. These animals have shown an incredible ability to thrive in changing landscapes, from deserts to grasslands, and even in areas impacted by human activity. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect their habitats and ensure that these partnerships can continue to flourish. Continued research is essential to unravel the complexities of their relationship, providing valuable insights for conservation strategies. Scientists are delving deeper into understanding how these two species communicate, coordinate, and benefit from each other. This research not only helps in preserving their partnership, but also offers broader lessons for wildlife conservation. The coyote and the badger, an unlikely pair bound by the need for survival, offer a powerful message. Their cooperation in hunting and navigating their environment highlights the importance of teamwork and mutual benefit. This partnership is not just about survival, it's a symbol of how different species can come together for a common goal. Their cooperation is a testament to the ingenuity of nature and a reminder that even in the face of adversity, collaboration can pave the way for a brighter future. As we look ahead, the story of the coyote and the badger inspires us to consider the value of partnerships in our own lives and the natural world. By supporting conservation efforts and continuing to study these fascinating creatures, we can help ensure that their remarkable alliance endures for generations to come. The natural world is a symphony of life, a harmonious blend of sounds, sights, and sensations that captivate our senses. It's a tapestry woven with countless threads of beauty, danger, and wonder, each element playing a crucial role in the grand design of nature. Among the most captivating threads are the rituals of animal mating, where creatures engage in fascinating behaviors to attract a partner. From elaborate dances to fierce battles, the animal kingdom offers a breathtaking array of courtship behaviors, each more intriguing than the last. These displays are not mere biological necessities, they are intricate performances that reveal the complexity of life. They are windows into the evolutionary forces that have shaped life on Earth, showcasing the adaptability and creativity of different species. Join me as we journey into the heart of this wild and wonderful world, exploring the extraordinary lengths animals go to find a mate, and the incredible strategies they employ. We will uncover the secrets behind these captivating rituals, from the poignant to the downright bizarre, and understand the reasons behind these unique behaviors. Prepare to be surprised, amazed, and perhaps even a little humbled by the sheer diversity and ingenuity of nature's grand mating game, a testament to the wonders of the natural world. It's easy to assume animal mating is purely instinctive, driven solely by the biological imperative to reproduce. But this is a gross oversimplification. While the drive to procreate is a powerful motivator, it's not the whole story. Animal mating rituals are often complex and nuanced, involving elements of competition, communication, and even aesthetics. Animals don't just mate, they choose their partners. And this choice is rarely random. Females in many species are discerning judges of their potential mates. They evaluate males based on a variety of factors, from physical prowess to the quality of their courtship displays. This selection process, driven by female choice, has played a crucial role in shaping the evolution of many animal species. We humans have our ways of expressing affection, a tender touch, a loving gaze, a heartfelt declaration. But animals speak a different language of love, one that is often lost in translation for us. Their courtship rituals, though seemingly strange to our eyes, are their way of communicating desire, compatibility, and fitness to potential mates. Imagine a world without words, where your every gesture, every dance move, every song carries the weight of finding a life partner. That's the reality for many animals. Their courtship displays are not just about attracting attention, they're about conveying vital information about their genetic quality, their strength, and their ability to provide for a mate and offspring. Few sights in nature are as dazzling as a male peacock in full courtship display. With a flamboyant flourish, he unfurls his magnificent train of feathers, transforming himself into a shimmering cascade of iridescent blues, greens, and golds. This extravagant display is not merely for show, it's a powerful advertisement of his genetic fitness. The peacock's tail, with its intricate patterns and vibrant colors, is a testament to his health and vitality. The larger and more elaborate the train, the more resources he has to spare, signaling to potential mates that he possesses superior genes. But the peacock's courtship ritual is not without its risks. His impressive plumage makes him a conspicuous target for predators, and his elaborate displays require a significant energy expenditure. Section 5, Whale Songs, Serenades of the Deep. From the visual spectacle of the peacock, we dive into the depths of the ocean where another extraordinary courtship ritual unfolds. In the vast, mysterious world beneath the waves, humpback whales, those gentle giants of the sea, are renowned for their hauntingly beautiful songs. These songs are not just simple calls, but complex melodies echoing through the vast expanse of the ocean are not random sounds. They are carefully crafted serenades designed to attract a mate. Each note and phrase is meticulously composed. Male humpback whales invest considerable time and energy in composing and performing their songs. These songs are a testament to their dedication. These songs can last for hours, consisting of intricate sequences of clicks, whistles, and moans. Each sequence tells a story. The songs serve multiple purposes. They are not just for attracting mates, they advertise the male's presence and availability to potential mates. The songs also communicate strength and vitality. They also play a role in establishing dominance over other males, deterring rivals from encroaching on their territory. The power of their song can be felt across the ocean, deterring rivals from encroaching on their territory. In this underwater symphony, the humpback whale's song is a powerful tool for survival and reproduction. Section 6, Birds of Paradise Dancing with Destiny. Returning to the realm of vibrant colors and elaborate displays, we encounter the birds of paradise, masters. Birds are not just ordinary creatures, they are the epitome of nature's artistic expression, showcasing a blend of beauty and behavior that is unparalleled in the animal kingdom. Found in the rainforests of New Guinea and surrounding islands, these birds are renowned for their astonishing plumage and captivating dances. Their feathers come in a dazzling array of colors, from deep blues and vibrant reds to shimmering golds and greens, making them one of the most visually striking species on the planet. Their courtship rituals are a testament to the power of visual seduction in the animal kingdom. These elaborate displays are not just for show, they play a crucial role in the bird's mating success, with females choosing mates based on the quality and creativity of their performances. Male birds of paradise have evolved an astounding array of courtship strategies. Each species has its own unique dance moves and display techniques, making the courtship process a fascinating spectacle to observe. Some species, like the greater bird of paradise, clear a dance floor on the forest floor, removing debris to create a stage for their performance. This meticulous preparation ensures that nothing distracts from their elaborate dance routines. They then proceed to perform intricate dances, puffing out their feathers, swaying from side to side, and shaking their heads in rhythmic movements. These dances are not just random movements, they are carefully choreographed sequences designed to mesmerize and attract potential mates, showcasing the incredible diversity and complexity of life in the rainforest. Section 7, Bullfrog Bravado, a chorus of croaks. Not all animal courtship rituals are visual spectacles. In the world of amphibians, sound often plays a crucial role. The African bullfrog, a resident of sub-Saharan Africa, is a prime example. During the breeding season, male bullfrogs congregate in temporary ponds, their deep croaks echoing through the night. These croaking contests are not just about making noise, they serve as a way for males to establish dominance and attract females. The deeper and more resonant a male's croak, the more attractive he is to potential mates. This is because a deep croak indicates a larger body size, a desirable trait in a mate. Section 8, the female's prerogative, the power of choice. Throughout the animal kingdom, females often hold the key to successful reproduction. They are the ones who ultimately choose their mates, and their choices have profound evolutionary consequences. This female choice, often overlooked, has driven the evolution of many of the elaborate traits and behaviors we observe in males. Why do females have so much power in the mating game? The answer lies in the fundamental differences between male and female reproductive strategies. For males, reproductive success is often a numbers game. They produce vast quantities of sperm, and their best chance of passing on their genes is to mate with as many females as possible. Section 9. Beyond reproduction, the unexpected roles of mating rituals. While the primary function of mating rituals is to ensure reproduction, these behaviors can serve other important purposes as well. They can strengthen social bonds, reduce aggression within a group, and even play a role in maintaining genetic diversity. For example, in many primate species, grooming is an important part of social interaction. While grooming does serve a hygienic purpose, it also helps to strengthen social bonds between individuals. This social bonding, in turn, can reduce conflict and promote cooperation within the group. Section 10. The evolutionary waltz, adapting for success. The diversity of animal mating rituals is a testament to the power of natural selection. Over countless generations, animals have evolved an astonishing array of strategies for attracting mates and ensuring the survival of their offspring. These strategies are constantly being refined and adapted in response to changing environmental conditions and the selective pressures of choice. Traits that enhance an individual's chances of finding a mate and reproducing are more likely to be passed on to future generations, while traits that hinder reproductive success are less likely to persist. Section 11. A world of wonder, embracing the diversity of life. The world of animal mating rituals is a realm of endless fascination. It's a world where beauty and brutality often go hand in hand, where survival depends on the ability to attract a mate, and where the drive to reproduce has shaped some of the most extraordinary behaviors on Earth. As we've journeyed through this captivating world, we've witnessed the dazzling displays of peacocks, the haunting songs of humpback whales, the vibrant dances of birds of paradise, and the croaking contests of African bullfrogs. Each species, with its unique courtship rituals, offers a glimpse into the remarkable diversity of life on Earth. The jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, is a creature of immense power and beauty. With its striking coat and muscular build, it stands as a symbol of the wild. Their presence commands respect and awe as they move with a grace and strength that is unparalleled in the animal kingdom. These elusive predators roam from the southwestern United States to the southern tip of South America, covering a vast range of diverse ecosystems. Jaguars are perfectly adapted to a variety of habitats, showcasing their incredible versatility and resilience. They thrive in rainforests, swamps, and grasslands, each environment offering unique challenges and opportunities for survival. Jaguars are solitary creatures, except during mating season, when they come together to ensure the continuation of their species. They are apex predators, playing a vital role in their ecosystems by controlling prey populations and maintaining ecological balance. Their presence helps to regulate prey populations and maintain a healthy balance, which is crucial for the health of their habitats. However, these magnificent creatures face numerous threats. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and encroachment on their territories are major concerns. Additionally, the illegal wildlife trade is pushing them towards the brink, making their survival increasingly precarious. It is our responsibility to understand and protect these amazing animals. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival. Their future depends on our actions. By supporting conservation initiatives, we can help secure a safe future for jaguars. We must act now to ensure their survival for generations to come. Every effort counts in the fight to save these majestic creatures. Let's delve into the fascinating world of jaguars and discover what makes them truly extraordinary. Join us on this journey to learn more about their lives and the challenges they face. Jaguars are powerfully built animals with a distinctive, stocky appearance. Their robust frame is designed for strength and agility, making them one of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. Their muscular bodies are covered in a stunning coat of short, dense fur, which not only provides protection but also adds to their majestic appearance. The coat varies in color from a rich, tawny yellow to a reddish brown, allowing them to blend into various environments seamlessly. The most striking feature is their rosette patterns, which are unique to each individual jaguar, much like a fingerprint. These rosettes are larger and more complex than those of leopards, often with a central spot, adding to their distinctive and captivating look. This distinctive marking helps them blend seamlessly into the dappled light of their rainforest homes, providing excellent camouflage against predators and prey alike. Jaguars have powerful jaws and sharp teeth, which are essential tools for their survival. Their bite is incredibly strong, even piercing through turtle shells, showcasing their unmatched predatory skills. Their short, muscular limbs and sharp claws make them agile climbers and powerful hunters, able to navigate through dense forests and climb trees with ease. Jaguars are perfectly equipped to thrive in their diverse habitats, from the dense rainforest to the riverbanks, showcasing their adaptability. Their physical characteristics are a testament to their evolutionary success, honed over millions of years to perfection. They are a true marvel of the natural world, embodying the beauty and power of the wild in every stride they take. Jaguars exhibit remarkable adaptability. They thrive in a wide range of habitats across the Americas. Rainforests are their preferred domain, offering ample cover and prey. However, they are equally at home in swamps, grasslands, and even arid lands. Their ability to exploit different environments is crucial to their survival. Jaguars are highly adaptable predators. They adjust their hunting techniques and prey selection based on their surroundings. Their resilience is evident in their ability to navigate diverse landscapes. From the lush Amazon rainforest to the dry plains of the Gran Chaco, jaguars demonstrate their remarkable ability to adapt. This adaptability is a testament to their evolutionary success and a beacon of hope for their future. Jaguars are apex predators, feared and respected throughout their range. They are opportunistic hunters, employing a combination of stealth and power. Their hunting strategy often involves ambush. They silently stalk their prey through dense undergrowth, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Their powerful legs provide incredible bursts of speed, allowing them to take down prey much larger than themselves. Unlike most cats, jaguars are not afraid of water. In fact, they are excellent swimmers. They often hunt caiman and fish in rivers and streams. Their powerful limbs propel them through the water with ease. Their ability to hunt both on land and in water makes them highly adaptable predators. This versatility is crucial to their survival in diverse habitats. Section 5. Solitary hunters, devoted parents. Jaguars are solitary creatures, preferring to live and hunt alone. They maintain territories which they mark with scent and claw marks. These territories can overlap, especially in areas with abundant prey. During mating season, however, jaguars come together to breed. After a gestation period of about 100 days, females give birth to a litter of 1 to 4 cubs. Mothers are fiercely protective of their young. They raise their cubs alone, teaching them essential survival skills. Cubs stay with their mothers for up to 2 years, learning to hunt and navigate their surroundings. The bond between a mother jaguar and her cubs is a testament to their capacity for devotion and care. Section 6. Unveiling the myths, Black Panthers, and ancient beliefs. Jaguars have captivated human imagination for centuries. Myths and legends surrounding these majestic creatures abound in cultures across their range. One of the most enduring myths is that of the Black Panther. Black Panthers are not a separate species, simply jaguars with melanism. This genetic trait causes their fur to be black or very dark brown. In some cultures, black jaguars are revered as powerful spiritual beings. Ancient civilizations like the Maya and Aztec held jaguars in high regard. They were often depicted in art and mythology as symbols of strength, power, and the underworld. These cultural beliefs highlight the profound impact jaguars have had on human societies. Section 7. The imminent threat, human encroachment. Jaguars, despite their power and adaptability, are facing an unprecedented crisis. Human activities pose the greatest threat to their survival. Habitat loss is the most pressing issue. As forests are cleared for agriculture, are losing their homes at an alarming rate. This loss of habitat forces them into closer contact with humans, leading to increased conflict. Jaguars are often killed by farmers protecting their livestock or perceived as a threat to human safety. This human-wildlife conflict is pushing jaguars closer to the brink. Section 8. The illegal wildlife trade, a grave danger. Adding to their woes, jaguars are also targeted for the illegal wildlife trade. Their stunning fur, teeth, and claws are highly prized in some markets. This demand fuels poaching and trafficking, decimating jaguar populations across their range. The illegal wildlife trade is a cruel and unsustainable industry that pushes countless species towards extinction. We must strengthen law enforcement, disrupt trafficking networks, and reduce demand for jaguar parts to combat this threat effectively. Section 9. Conservation efforts, a glimmer of hope. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the future of jaguars. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures. Efforts are underway to protect and restore jaguar habitat, mitigate human-wildlife conflict, and combat the illegal wildlife trade. Community-based conservation programs are crucial. These programs engage local communities in jaguar conservation, promoting coexistence between humans and jaguars. These initiatives offer a glimmer of hope for the survival of jaguars. Section 10. The importance of jaguar conservation. Protecting jaguars is not just about saving a single species. It's about preserving entire ecosystems. As apex predators, jaguars play a critical role in maintaining healthy and balanced ecosystems. Their presence helps regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and ensuring biodiversity. By conserving jaguars, we're also protecting countless other species that share their habitat. Furthermore, jaguar conservation efforts benefit local communities by supporting sustainable livelihoods and promoting ecotourism. Section 11. A call to action, safeguarding the future of jaguars. The future of jaguars hangs in the balance, but it's not too late to act. These majestic creatures, known for their strength and beauty, are facing unprecedented threats from habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. We must act now to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival for generations to come. Supporting conservation organizations, volunteering for wildlife projects, and participating in community efforts are all ways we can make a difference. Raising awareness about the plight of jaguars through education and social media campaigns is essential. By spreading the word, we can inspire others to join the cause. Advocating for stronger environmental policies and supporting legislation that protects wildlife habitats are crucial steps. We must urge our leaders to take action and enforce laws that safeguard these animals. We must reduce our ecological footprint by consuming responsibly, reducing deforestation, and promoting sustainable practices. This includes supporting sustainable farming, preserving rainforests, and participating in reforestation projects. Every effort, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of safeguarding jaguars and the irreplaceable ecosystems they inhabit. Educating the younger generation about conservation is also vital for long-term success. Let us work to ensure that these majestic creatures continue to roam free in the wild, thriving in their natural habitats. Their survival is a testament to our commitment to preserving the natural world. A testament to the power and beauty of the natural world, jaguars symbolize the importance of biodiversity. By protecting them, we protect the intricate web of life that sustains us all.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos.
Not sure where to find the coolest science facts? You're in the right place. Here, we dive into the most jaw-dropping scientific secrets and facts. Whether you're a science newbie or an expert, our videos will boost your knowledge and ignite your curiosity. From mind-bending physics to the wonders of biology, we've got it all. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. Get ready to discover the secrets of the universe, one fact at a time. The lion is a large felid of the genus Panthera, native mainly to Africa. It has a muscular, deep-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy tuft at the end of its tail. It is sexually dimorphic. Adult male lions are larger than females and have a prominent mane. Lions are one of Africa's most recognizable animals, and for good reason. More than any other animal in the African wilderness, lions signify courage, strength, and power. Spending up to 20 hours of the day sleeping or resting, lions are the laziest of the big cats. They can be found lying on their backs with their feet up or taking a snooze in the shade. While lazing around, they are very affectionate towards one another, rubbing heads, grooming, and purring. Lions are known for their roars and ferociousness, are highly a group referred to as the Pride. Keep reading this Mom Junction post to learn more such interesting facts about a lion. Lions belong to the Felidae family. It is a pedigree of meat-eating animals commonly known as cats. Lions are the second largest big cat species in the world. The genus and subspecies of a lion are called Panthera leo. Lions are the national animal of Ethiopia, Kenya, Libya, Luxembourg, North Macedonia, the Netherlands, Norway, Sierra Leone, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Togo, and England. A baby lion is called a cub, lionette, or a whelp. The lifespan of a lion living in the wild ranges between 10 and 14 years. Lions are carnivorous and they usually hunt big animals. A female lion needs approximately 5 kilograms of meat, and a male eats about 7 kilograms of meat every single day. Sometimes a lion is referred to as a hypercarnivore, as meat forms about 80% of its diet. Usually, female lions hunt for the pride while the male lions protect the territory and their cubs. They usually hunt from dusk till dawn. A lion can run at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Lions are the laziest among all the big cats. They spend most of their time resting and can sleep for approximately 21 hours a day. A 2-year-old female lion grows up to 2/3 of an adult size. They preferably inhabit the savanna or grasslands. Lions are more social, unlike the other members of the big cat family. Lions prefer to live in a pride that has more female lions and a few male lions to patrol and protect their territory and the cubs. The cubs are vulnerable to predators like leopards, hyenas, and black-backed jackals and have a mortality rate of 65 to 70%. A pride can be as small as 3 lions living together or as big as 40 lions together. On average, a female lion weighs 120 to 182 kilograms. Male lions are much bigger and heftier than female lions and weigh nearly 150 to 250 kilograms. The length of lions can be anything between 4.5 to 6.5 feet. The height of a male lion is about 72 to 84 inches, and that of female lions can be 63 to 72 inches tall. A lion's mane is the most distinct feature that separates it from the others in the cat family. The mane starts growing at the age of 1. Lions with a darker mane have higher reproductive strength when compared to other lions. The gestation period of a lion is 4 months or 110 days. Like other cats, lionesses prefer to hide away while giving birth. A lioness can give birth to 2 to 4 babies at a time and keeps the infant cubs hidden for the first 6 weeks. Later, all the females of the pride take care of the cubs. A newborn cub weighs around 1.5 kilograms at the time of birth. Most wild lion population lies in the southern and eastern parts of Africa. Lions can leap as high as 36 feet, jaw-dropping. Lions are ready to mate by the age of 3 or 4 years. African lions eat larger animals like zebras, antelopes, and wild beasts. The Asiatic lions, on the other hand, eat large as well as smaller animals. White lions are a rare find. Their skin color is due to a rare genetic condition caused by leucism. When the water is scarce, the lions drink fluids from wild melons. This is to avoid dehydration and retain moisture in their bodies. The territory of a lion can range anywhere from 260 to 300 square kilometers. Lionesses work together in a team while hunting, and the whole pride shares the kill. But they follow an order. The males eat first, then the females, and lastly the cubs. The digestive system of lions is pretty fast, which is why they go for a hunt not long after they've devoured the previous kill. When close to a source of water, lions drink water every day. But they can also go without water for 4 to 5 days as they obtain moisture from the bodies of their prey. Lions are among the animals that are at the top of the food chain, which is why they are also referred to as the alpha predators. Lions become weak and worn between the age of 10 and 15. Fun facts about lions. A few fun facts about lions for kids are actually roarsome enough to intrigue them and put their little minds to work. Here are some such fascinating facts about this big cat species. Did you know? The roar of an adult male lion can be heard from 5 miles or 8 kilometers away. When lions are kept in captivity, they are also bred with other big cats like tigers, leopards, or jaguars. The resulting hybrids are referred to as ligers, tigons, leoponds, or jaglions. Female lions are attracted more to male lions with darker manes. Simba, weighing 380 kilograms, is the heaviest lion on record to date. He was kept captive at Colchester Zoo in England. While walking, the heels of a lion do not touch the ground. Lions have to protect their dead prey from hyenas and vultures so that it can serve as another meal for them. Cubs and young lions do not take part in hunting, but the adult lions train them by showing them the stalking behavior. The cubs start training and hunting when they are 1 or 2 years old. Lions have a denture formula of 3.1.3.1 over 3.1.2.1 with a total of 30 teeth. Their canine teeth are exceptionally big and are used for hunting and killing the prey. Lions do not chew. They directly swallow the food after chopping or ripping it apart from the body of their prey. Lion cubs are born just like puppies and kittens and do not open their eyes until 1 week after birth. Cubs are entirely dependent on their mommies for feeding and nourishment in the initial 3 months of birth, after which they are introduced to meat. Lionesses do not entertain or tolerate any female lion from outside of their pride, as they have a fixed social unit comprising of their own family. When another male lion attacks or usurps a pride, he kills all the males in the cubs but not the females. Lions are very sharp-sighted as they have 5 times better eyesight than human beings. Are lions at risk? Lions are among those at the top of the food chain and have no other predators. But is that entirely true? Unfortunately, no, because lions have predators too, and sadly it's us, humans. Here is some information about the risks that lions are at because of the human race. Lion hunting or trophy hunting is still legal in some countries. This is one of the leading causes of reduction in their population since 1880, when there were more than 1.2 million African lions in the world. These majestic big cats, especially the African lions, are also threatened due to a loss in their natural habitat. Lions are listed as vulnerable in the International Union for Conservation of Nature list of threatened species. We are left with less than 40,000 lions on our planet now. Asiatic lions are on the International Union for Conservation of Nature and the Red List of Endangered Species since 2008. Asiatic lions are found only in India's Gir Forest National Park and the surrounding areas in Gujarat state, which is the only habitat of lions in all of Asia. The population of lions living here. Lions are at a high risk of poaching. It is due to the illegal hunting of lions for their bones, which are used in traditional medicines as well as in vineyards for making expensive wines. Another important cause for the decline in their population can sometimes be conflicts with humans, scarcity in finding food and prey due to shrinking forests. Learning about lions, their habitat, life, and social behavior can make your child for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Related videos which will help you in increasing your knowledge. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. They live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere with only one species, the Galapagos penguin, found north of the equator. Highly adapted for life in the water, penguins have counter-shaded dark and white plumage and flippers for swimming. A penguin's body is tapered at both ends, and it has a large head, short neck, and elongated body. This streamlined design helps penguins swim fast. Some species of penguins can march up to about 60 miles across sea ice to get to their breeding grounds. Penguin feet are also adapted to help the birds steer while swimming. They use their feet like rudders, angling them to help control direction. Many male penguins gift female penguins with rocks in order to woo them. A group of penguins in the water is called a raft, but on land they're called a waddle. Penguins evolved to fly underwater. Penguins may huddle together for several reasons. Though they might look funny walking on land, penguins are super slick with their flippers. Gentoo penguin is the fastest swimmer, reaching speeds up to 30 miles per hour, and the emperor penguin can hold its breath for up to 22 minutes while scavenging underwater. Like other birds, penguins don't have teeth. Instead, they have backward-facing, fleshy spines that line the inside of their mouths. These help them guide their fishy meals down their throat. Penguins, while popularly believed to be socially awkward, are in fact extremely intelligent creatures. They are highly capable creatures that can be trained or conditioned, are self-aware, use tools and communicate with each other, and even form intricate communities and hierarchies in groups. In the water, the main predators of penguins are whales and seals. Meanwhile, their young are commonly preyed upon by skua seabirds on land, listed as endangered by the IUCN. Since 2000, the Galapagos penguin Spheniscus mendiculus is considered to be the rarest penguin with an estimated population of between 1,800 and 4,700, as per the last census, carried out in 2009. Most of the time, penguins walk with a speed of about 1 or 2 kilometers per hour. But in danger, a frightened penguin can run a lot faster than a human being over snowy rocks and ice. Gentoo penguins are the fastest of all penguin species. These penguins can swim at speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour. That's 4 times faster than any Olympic swimmer. The oldest penguin fossils are 62 million years old. That is only 3 million years after the dinosaurs disappeared. Penguins poop every 20 minutes. Penguins have a very fast metabolism. This means they need to poop a lot. A penguin's black and white coloring is called countershading. All penguin species share countershading camouflage. This means they have a lighter belly and a darker back, which helps them camouflage from predators above and below them. Penguins are expert divers. Penguins dive to catch their food. The emperor penguin can dive down to 530 meters. Gen 2 penguins can dive 200 meters. And king penguins can dive around 350 meters deep. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos.
Welcome to Scientific Secret Channel. On this channel, you will find fact-related videos, which will help you in increasing your knowledge. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. It is most recognizable for its dark vertical stripes on orange-brown fur with a lighter underside. It is an apex predator, primarily preying on ungulates such as deer and wild boar. Tigers are often looked as being one of the most beautiful yet ferocious animals, and perhaps this is a sole driving factor that makes them even more interesting creatures. But sadly, they have come to a verge of being categorized as endangered, thanks to the human sloppiness and prudence. As a wildlife lover with keen interest on large cats, I enjoy visiting wildlife sanctuaries, but the question remains, how well do I or we know about this exotic animal? We're often clouded by many misconceptions with other large cat species, but hopefully you'll learn something about them through this blog, where I've listed some facts about tigers. Spoiler alert, you would be knowing some of the facts already, but what the H** or... 1. Tigers are the largest amongst other wildcats. You probably knew this, that Royal Bengal tigers are the largest amongst other wildcats, but did you also know that the male tigers weigh up to 300 kilograms? Jez, that's like weighing a group of 6 average human. All they have to do is sit on top of you licking their paws. You'd be dead instantly. 2. A punch from a tiger may kill you. Leaving aside tigers' enormous body size, just look at their front hands or legs. If you have a pet tiger and a brutal enemy, you might as well send them for a fist fight. Kidding, you cannot have a pet tiger. It's illegal. It is said that one swipe from a tiger's front hand is enough to kill a person or an animal, or at least break one's bones. Tigers are nocturnal animals. It is not necessarily true that all tigers are nocturnal, but yes, they do prefer engaging in most of their hunting activities at night. The reason behind this is that tigers prefer avoiding human conflict during daylight and also patrol around their territory at night. Tiger cubs are born blind and only half of the cubs survive. The saddest part is that tiger cubs are born blind and only a few survive. Literally, the newborn cubs can't see anything. They only follow the scent of their mother. Since they are born blind and can't keep up, most of them die of hunger or cold. Some even get eaten by male tigers to make the tigress available for mating. That's just insane. Tigers love to swim and play in the water. Unlike the domestic cats, its larger version enjoys spending time in the water, and they love to swim for hours. Since cubs, female tigers encourage or help learn the art of hunting, they even have the ability to kill in the water. And as adults, it is that they can swim for several kilometers, and even have reported one to swim for 30 kilometers in just a day. Tigers live for about 25 years. The life expectancy of tigers is between 20 to 25 years, whether they are kept in captivity or in the wild. However, most die before the age of 20, like, for instance, the death of a 19-year-old Makli in Ranthambore National Park, Rajasthan, India. The oldest living tiger so far was 25-year-old Flo, a circus rescued, sheltered in a zoo in Tampa, Florida. A group of tigers are called an ambush or streak. The tigers are forced into unnatural situations where they are to share or stay put under certain areas in a man-made environment. That's when they are called an ambush or streak. Even a tigress with her cubs is called an ambush. Tigers can mate with other big cats. Tigers can also mate with other big cats. For example, if a male tiger mates with a female lion, the hybrid-born animal is known as a tigon. They are the largest cat species and can grow bigger than a liger, which is a mixed breed of a male lion and a female tiger. The height of a liger is about 4.5 feet while on all four legs and about 6 feet tall when standing. Note: you can find tigons in at least 9 countries that include the USA, Czech Republic, China, Iran, Russia, India, UAE, and Argentina. Crossbreeding of tigers is banned in Taiwan. Tigers have antiseptic saliva. Perhaps a good side of tigers is that they have antiseptic saliva. So whenever you get a bruise and want to disinfect them, visit the doctor tiger. Just kidding. Usually what they do is they tend to lick the area in order to prevent any infection. Tigers can sprint at over 60 km/h. Not the fastest runner in the animal kingdom, but the fact that tigers have very strong legs makes them sprint more or less than 60 km/h, but it is only possible for short distances. Tiger stripes are also found on their skin. Most of you may not know this, but most of the cat species have stripes on their fur as well as on their skin. It is actually true that, similar to human fingerprints, the unique pattern of stripes on tigers acts like their identity. Even if you shave off the fur of tigers or house cats, you will see the stripes. Note: do not try this at home with domestic pets. Tigers rarely roar and are humble towards their group. I know by generous you must be like, what? But just so you know, tigers are one of the most humble species, unlike lions. No offense. Often it is seen in the wildlife that the male tigers allow the female and cubs to eat first. Tiger's urine smells like buttered popcorn. Here's an interesting fact. The smell that emits from tiger's urine smells like buttered popcorn. Don't get tempted, because it also signifies a warning sign to the intruders in their territory. Tigers prefer to hunt by ambush. One of the most common knowledge to any wildlife lovers. Wild animals enjoy a surprise kill, but not as much as tigers. Due to their striped camouflage, they hide behind thick bushes and attack their victim from behind. It is also said that tigers are less likely to attack when we see them. In fact, most of the villagers in India wear a face mask on the back of their head just to trick the tigers. Tigers are solitary creatures. It is true, tigers are considered solitary animals. Unlike the sight of multiple tigers kept in one cage in the zoos, you are less likely to spot the same age group of tigers roaming together in the wild. Tigers like to stay alone. They are often observed taking a leisure walk all by themselves, or perhaps building his strategies for his next meal. LOL. Tigers have a diverse diet. The tigers have a varied diet and can feast on anything that comes its way, be it a wild boar, deer or antelope, rodent, bear, bird, rhino, crocodile, buffalo, and even their own group of cats like leopards. They even eat fish. Tigers can imitate the call of other animals. I had that same expression, and it aroused me to dig deeper and found a positive answer. They certainly can. Hunting by mimicry is an added advantage to animals. It has been said that tigers make a pook sound similar to that of sambar that draws these innocent animals into the trap and get ambushed. Tigers do not normally view humans as a prey. Tigers tend to attack humans only when they feel threatened, unless you look delicious. Humor. But on a serious note, we cannot deny that fact. There have been reports on tigers killing people in rural places, so it is best to stay away from their territory. If you come across such situations, it is best to walk backwards, constantly eyeing the tiger, as mentioned earlier, as they mostly kill in ambush. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos. Welcome to Scientific Secret Channel. In this channel you will find fact-related videos which will help you in increasing your knowledge. An alligator is a crocodilian in the genus Alligator of the family Alligatoridae. The two extant species are the American alligator and the Chinese alligator. Additionally, several extinct species of alligator are known from fossil remains. Alligators are large reptiles and members of the order Crocodilia. The two existing species of alligators and the many worldwide species of crocodiles are closely related. and people often confuse one with the other. An alligator is distinguished by its wide, rounded snout and black color. When an alligator rests with its jaws closed, only its upper teeth are visible. Crocodiles, on the other hand, have narrow, pointed snouts, a gray-green color, and both upper and lower teeth visible when the animal's mouth is closed, according to the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, FWC. Crocodiles and alligators rarely overlap in range, so another way to tell them apart is to know where you are. American alligators, which live across the southern United States, only overlap with American crocodiles at the southern tip of Florida, according to National Geographic. Chinese alligators are the only crocodilian anywhere near their range. Alligators cannot digest salt, therefore they can only live in fresh environments, like ponds, marshes, wetlands, and swamps. Male alligators can grow up to 15 feet, and female alligators can grow up to 9 feet. There are an estimated 1.25 million alligators in the state of Florida alone, and an estimated 200,000 in the Everglades. Alligators are territorial and will fight other alligators to defend their young. Alligators are traditionally solitary reptiles. Larger male gators are almost exclusively solitary, but smaller alligators are often found in greater numbers because they have a higher tolerance for other alligators. During April, May, and June, you might be able to spot larger gators in groups for mating purposes. During this time, alligators will lay between 30 to 40 eggs that will incubate for 60 to 65 days. Alligators prey primarily on fish, but they aren't picky eaters. They'll also eat amphibians, birds, snakes, turtles, small mammals. If the opportunity presents itself, an alligator is likely to go after a large mammal as well, including deer, sheep, cows, and boars. Alligator jaws can exert up to 1,000 pounds of pressure. Alligators typically live between 30 to 35 years in the wild and approximately 50 in captivity. Alligators are considered a keystone to their environment, meaning they are essential to the health of the ecosystem they inhabit. Alligators enjoy warm water and warm weather. They are often found lying in the sun and will cool themselves off by opening their mouths to release stored heat. What is interesting about an alligator? Before you embark on your airboat ride, check out these facts. Alligators cannot digest salt, therefore they can only live in freshwater environments like ponds, marshes, wetlands, and swamps. Male alligators can grow up to 15 feet, and female alligators can grow up to 9 feet. Can alligators jump out of water? That's because alligators can leap up to 5 feet out of the water to snag their dinner. They do this by pushing themselves up with their tails. It's an incredible sight to see, as long as you're a safe distance away while watching it. Do alligators need water? While alligators can tolerate salt water for a few hours or even days, they are primarily freshwater animals, living in swampy areas, rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds. How many teeth does an alligator have? A mature alligator has 80 conical-shaped teeth. They have no molars for crushing and grinding food, therefore they swallow their food whole. Lost teeth are replaced. An alligator may go through 2,000 to 3,000 teeth in its lifetime. What are alligators scared of? Typically, alligators are afraid of humans, says Nell. They have been hunted since the Europeans got to the US, and they almost went extinct. A 2010 report tallied all the reported alligator attacks over the 81 years from 1928 to 2009. What does alligator poop look like? It can be up to 5 or 6 inches in length and over 2 inches in diameter, rounded at both ends, light gray when fresh and drying to almost white. Scat really stinks, even after drying up. Found near water, scat may have no recognizable shape but contains fish bones and scales and pieces of shell. Oily, tar-like appearance. How smart is a gator? They might have a reputation for being tough, but alligators are among the most attentive parents in the reptile world, remaining with their young for as long as 3 years. They're also highly intelligent and have been known to use tools. What are alligators known for? Alligators play an important role in their wetland ecosystems by creating small ponds known as alligator holes. Alligator holes retain water during the dry season and provide habitats for other animals. Alligators are apex predators that also eat fruit. Do loud noises scare alligators? Alligators are very territorial animals, especially during the spring mating season. Female alligators closely guard their babies for the first few months and will exhibit extremely aggressive behavior when protecting their young. If you are approached by an alligator, make a loud noise to scare it away. What's the biggest alligator ever caught? Well, the current world record was taken by Manly Stokes of Thomaston in August 2014. It measured 15 feet 9 inches long and weighed 1,011.5 pounds. Can a human swim faster than a crocodile? Saltwater crocodiles can swim at 15 to 18 miles per hour in short bursts, which is around 3 times as fast as the fastest. How long can an alligator live? Well, the American alligator can live anywhere from 30 to 50 years. Do crocodiles swim in the ocean? They are poor swimmers, and despite their name, they inhabit fresh water, as well as estuaries. Although crocodiles spend most of their life in saltwater, they are not considered marine animals as they rely on land for food. Can alligators climb fences? You may wonder, can alligators climb fences? Just have a look at this video. Alligators can climb chain link fences, period. Some of them can climb a 5 feet high chain link fence without any major difficulty. However, it's not typical. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos.
Welcome to the Scientific Secret Channel. On this channel, you will find fact-related videos which will help you in increasing your knowledge. Hares and jackrabbits are leporids belonging to the genus Lepus. Hares are classified in the same family as rabbits. They are similar in size to rabbits and have similar herbivorous diets, but generally have longer ears and live solitarily or in pairs. The European hare, also known as the brown hare, is a species of hare native to Europe and parts of Asia. It is among the largest hare species and is adapted to temperate, open country. Hares are small mammals related to rabbits and belonging to the same family, Leporidae. There are 32 species of hare. Hare species are native to Africa, Eurasia, North America, and the Japanese archipelago. They are found all over the world, except Antarctica. The favorite habitat of the hare is in meadows, fields, and clearings. Hares usually live from 4 to 8 years in the wild, but they can live for as long as 12 years. Hares are born with fur and are larger than rabbits. They usually have taller hind legs and longer ears. Rabbits make their homes in burrows underground, while hares make nests above ground. Its head and body length can range from 40 to 75 centimeters, or 16 to 30 inches, with a tail length of 3.9 to 11 centimeters, or 1.5 to 4.3 inches. The body mass is typically between 1.4 and 5 kilograms, or 3 and 11 pounds. The hare's elongated ears range from 6.2 to 11 centimeters, or 2.4 to 4.3 inches from the notch to tip. Coat color can be brown, gray, tan, white, and black. Some hares, such as the snowshoe hare, Lepus americanus, and southern populations of the Arctic hare, Lepus arcticus, change color with the seasons. In the winter, these animals have white fur to blend in with the snow. After the spring molt, the fur is replaced with a shorter gray-brown fur. Hares are nocturnal, feeding and traveling most at night and sleeping during the day. They use shallow resting hollows in fields or long grass called forms. To avoid detection, hares move close to the ground and their ears lie flat on their backs. These speedy animals are capable of reaching 70 kilometers, or 43 miles, an hour. Hares are small mammals related to rabbits and belonging to the same family, Leporidae. There are 32 species of hare. Hare species are native to Africa, Eurasia, North America, and the Japanese archipelago. They are found all over the world, except Antarctica. The favorite habitat of the hare is in meadows, fields, and clearings. Hares usually live from 4 to 8 years in the wild, but they can live for as long as 12 years. If you think hares are the same as rabbits, you're jumping to the wrong conclusion. There are significant differences in physical appearance, behavior, and even lifestyles. Hares are born with fur and are larger than rabbits. They usually have taller hind legs and longer ears. Rabbits make their homes in burrows underground, while hares make nests above ground. Its head and body length can range from to 75 centimeters or 16 to 30 inches, with a tail length of 3.9 to 11 centimeters or 1.5 to 4.3 inches. The body mass is typically between 1.4 and 5 kilograms or 3 and 11 pounds. The hare's elongated ears range from 6.2 to 11.0 centimeters or 2.4 to 4.3 inches from the notch to tip. Coat color can be brown, gray, tan, white, and black. Some hares, such as the snowshoe hare, Lepus americanus, and southern populations of the Arctic hare, Lepus arcticus, change color with the seasons. In the winter, these animals have white fur to blend in with snow. After the spring molt, the fur is replaced with a shorter, gray-brown fur. Hares are quite solitary, whereas rabbits are social animals. Hares are nocturnal, feeding and traveling most at night and sleeping during the day. They use resting hollows in fields or long grass called forms. To avoid detection, hares move close to the ground and their ears lie flat on their backs. These speedy animals are capable of reaching 70 kilometers or 43 miles an hour. They have powerful hind legs that can propel them on leaps of more than 3 meters or 10 feet. Hares are also excellent swimmers. Their upper lips are split, concealing a pair of long front incisors that never stop growing. Hares must keep their teeth ground down by constant gnawing and chewing. Hares are herbivorous and prefer to eat grass and other plant life, but they also supplement their diets with fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts, and some fungi. Hares have an excellent sense of smell, hearing, and vision. They have nearly 360 degrees panoramic vision, allowing them to detect predators from all directions. They can see everything behind them and only have a small blind spot in front of their nose. A male hare is called a jack, and a female is a gill. A hare less than 1 year old is called a leveret. The collective noun for a group of hares is a drove. Normally shy animals, hares change their behavior in spring, when they can be seen in broad daylight chasing one another around meadows. This appears to be competition between males to attain dominance and hence more access to breeding females. During this spring frenzy, hares can be seen boxing. This is usually not competition between males, but a female hitting a male, either to show she is not yet ready to mate or as a test of his determination. After a while, she will stop boxing and allow the male to be her mate. The gestation period is about 42 days, and a female gives birth anywhere from 1 to 8 leverets at a time. A female can bear 3 litters a year. The female nests in a depression on the surface of the ground rather than in a burrow, and the young are active as soon as they are born. Young hares are adapted to the lack of physical protection relative to that afforded by a burrow, by being born fully furred and with eyes open. They are hence precocial and are able to fend for themselves soon after birth. By contrast, the related rabbits have young that are born blind and hare. Due to the size and speed of the hare is generally not a first-choice meal for many predators, although there are a number of animals that will hunt hares. The predators of the hare include large birds of prey, foxes, coyotes, wolves, lynx, wild dogs, and weasels, and also humans, who will often hunt hares both to eat and for pest control. Hares have not been domesticated, while rabbits are raised for food and kept as house pets. Hares have 48 chromosomes, while rabbits have 44. In Europe, the hare has been a symbol of sex and fertility since at least ancient Greece. The Greeks associated it with the gods Dionysus, Aphrodite, and Artemis, as well as with satyrs and cupids. In European tradition, the hare also symbolizes the 2 qualities of swiftness and timidity. The hare in African folk tales is a trickster. Some of the stories about the hare were retold among African slaves in America and are the basis of the Brer Rabbit stories. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos.
Welcome to Scientific Secret Channel. On this channel, you will find fact-related videos which will help you in increasing your knowledge. Dolphins are undoubtedly some of the most admired and well-known ocean animals in the world, for good reason. With their cute smiles, incredible acrobatic skills, and likeness to humans, dolphins have caught the attention of people for millennia. Despite their popularity, there's a lot that people don't know about these marine mammals. That's why we're serving up some of the most fascinating dolphin facts around. Any scuba diver or freediver that's ever had the opportunity to share the underwater world with a dolphin, or pod of dolphins, will certainly tell you that it was one of the best experiences they've ever had. Warning. These dolphin facts will most likely make you love dolphins even more than you already do. Here are 10 fun facts about dolphins. 1. Nearly 40 species inhabit the waters of the world. While most species of dolphins live in coastal areas of tropical and temperate oceans, there are 5 species that live in freshwater rivers, including the Amazon pink river dolphin. Dolphins are carnivores with a variety of fish, squid, and crustaceans included in their list of prey. A dolphin that weighs 160 pounds, or 118 kilograms, eats approximately 33 pounds, or 15 kilograms, of fish per day. Known for their playful behavior, dolphins are highly intelligent. They are as smart as apes, and the evolution of their larger brains is surprisingly similar to humans. They are said to be the second most intelligent mammals after humans. Dolphins can recognize themselves in a mirror and call each other unique names. Dolphins belong to the scientific order called cetaceans, which also includes whales, their closest relatives. In the Delphinidae, or dolphin, family, orcas are the largest species of dolphin. They are highly social animals that hunt and even play together. Large pods of dolphins, called superpods, can be made up of 1,000 members or more. These marine mammals give live birth, similar to humans, except the baby is born tail first. Depending on the species, dolphin gestation takes somewhere between 9 and 17 months. After giving birth, dolphins are incredibly maternal. The mother helps the calf to the surface for its first breath, and they've even been observed nestling and cuddling with their young. Depending on the species, dolphin calves or babies nurse for up to 2 years. A calf may stay with its mother for anywhere from 3 to 8 years. While dolphins have no sense of smell, they make up for this with their other extraordinary senses. They have acute eyesight both in and out of the water. Dolphins have a well-developed sense of touch. They hear frequencies 10 times the upper limit of adult humans, and they expertly use dolphin echolocation to locate faraway or hidden things using sound waves and echoes. Dolphins have few natural enemies. Unfortunately, humans are their main threat. Polluted habitats, being caught as bycatch in commercial fisheries, and targeted hunting are the main threats that face dolphins worldwide. Sadly, in just 2006, the Yangtze River dolphin became functionally extinct. Because dolphins are mammals, they need to come to the surface to breathe. Unlike land mammals that breathe and eat through their mouths, dolphins have separate holes for each task. Dolphins eat through their mouths and breathe through their blowholes. This prevents dolphins from sucking up water into their lungs when eating, reducing the risk of drowning. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos, which will help you in increasing your knowledge. The giraffe is an African artiodactyl mammal, the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant. It is traditionally considered to be one species, Giraffa camelopardalis, with 9 subspecies. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Males can grow up to 18 feet or 5.5 meters tall. A group of giraffes is called a tower. No one has ever seen a giraffe swimming. Giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period. Giraffes make no sound. Not because they can't, but because they choose not to. The giraffe's neck can measure up to 6 feet or 1.8 meters long. Giraffes only need to drink once every few days. Most of the water comes from all the plants they eat. Giraffe tongues grow up to 21 inches or 53 centimeters in length. A giraffe's spots are like human fingerprints. No 2 individual giraffes have exactly the same pattern. The giraffe's feet are the size of a dinner plate, 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters across. A giraffe's neck is too short to reach the ground, so it has to awkwardly spread its front legs or kneel to reach the ground and drink water. Giraffes can go longer without drinking water than camels can. A giraffe's legs alone are taller than most humans, about 6 feet or 1.81 meters. 50% of giraffe calves do not survive their first 6 months due to predation from hyenas, leopards, and wild dogs. Before mating, the female giraffe will first urinate in the male's mouth. In Mozambique, overhead power lines have to be at least 12 meters or 39 feet high to permit safe passage of giraffes. One of the only vertebrate species that can't yawn is the giraffe. Giraffe is already extinct in at least 7 countries in Africa. Up until 2008, the Santa Barbara Zoo had a giraffe named Gemina that had a permanent 90-degree bend in her neck caused by fused vertebrae. Male giraffes determine if a female is fertile by tasting their urine. The intestines of an adult giraffe measure more than 70 meters or 230 feet in length. The maximum weight of a male giraffe was 1,930 kilograms or 4,250 pounds and 1,180 kilograms or 2,600 pounds for a female. The giraffe's 9 subspecies are distinguished by their coat patterns. Do giraffes have 3 hearts? 3 hearts to be exact. There is a systemic or main heart. 2 lesser hearts pump blood to the gills where waste is discarded and oxygen is received. They work like the right side of the human heart. Why are amazing? Giraffes are the tallest mammal in the world. Their long legs and necks help them to eat leaves at the top of tall trees that other animals cannot reach. They have long tongues and no teeth at the front of their top jaw, which helps them to rip leaves from branches. Can giraffes bite humans? Giraffes, which are the tallest mammals in the world, are usually aggressive but have been known to go on the attack if they feel threatened. Their legs can also be dangerous, with a kick from a giraffe quite capable of killing someone. Can giraffes swim? Giraffes are often stated to be unable to swim, and while few observations supporting this have ever been offered, we sought to test the hypothesis that giraffes exhibited a body shape or density unsuited for locomotion in water, the Canadian and British scientists said in their article. Do giraffes have 2 stomachs? Well, giraffes are ruminants, just like cows, sheep, and deer. This means that they have more than 1 stomach. In fact, giraffes have 4 stomachs, with the extra stomachs assisting with digesting food. And you know, giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. Why are giraffes so tall? At up to 5.8 meters tall, or 19 feet, giraffes are the tallest animal on land, thanks to their unusually long necks. This idea has been around since 1809, when French naturalist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck suggested that the giraffe's long neck evolved from its continual striving to reach food. How fast can giraffes run? They can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Can giraffes bend their necks? Even worse, they can't simply bend their necks forward. They must awkwardly splay their forelegs and bend their knees before they can lower their necks to the ground for a drink. Giraffes only need to drink one few days to survive the savannah. What animals are taller than a giraffe? Elephants are plenty big and pretty tall too. Next to the giraffe in terms of height is the elephant, specifically the African bush elephant, or Loxodonta africana. Males of this species have a shoulder height of 10.5 to 13 feet. How strong are giraffes' necks? Their necks tend to average about 6 feet long, and supporting such a length requires powerful muscles and big bones. That causes their necks to be heavy, usually between 500 and 600 pounds. Why are giraffes' tongues black? The darker color is a result of the extra melanin that is present. It helps to prevent sunburns and can protect them. The end of their tongue tends to be black and maybe more pink or purple near the top, since that portion is not as exposed to the sun. The melanin acts as a sort of natural sunscreen. How tall is a female giraffe? Giraffes are the tallest land animals. Female giraffes are up to 14 feet tall and weigh up to 1,500 pounds. Meanwhile, males are up to 18 feet tall and can weigh 3,000 pounds. Which animal has the longest neck? Among living animals, adult bull giraffes have the longest necks, capable of reaching about 8 feet or 2.4 meters long. No other living creature exceeds half this length. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Welcome to Scientific Secret Channel. On this channel, you will find fact-related videos which will help you in increasing your knowledge. Black rhinos, or Diceros bicornis, are one of the most iconic and endangered species of rhino. Their mating behavior, though less frequently observed, his body and horn against